back to 20 car. Prepare to be swept away by the grandeur of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Unofficial concept, a spectacular revelation of German engineering draped in ultra-luxury aesthetics. The exterior is nothing short of a rolling masterpiece, featuring a seamless blend of aerodynamic elegance and imposing presence. With its massive chrome Maybach grille, dual-tone pearl paint, and 24-inch diamond-cut wheels, the Maybach promises unapologetic extravagance. LED crystal headlights sparkle like jewelry, while the fastback silhouette whispers sophistication. Inside, the dashboard transcends traditional automotive interiors. A full-width OLED digital interface, complemented by rose gold aluminum trims and diamond-stitched Napa leather, creates a futuristic command center worthy of royalty. The steering wheel integrates haptic feedback and advanced AI-powered controls for effortless navigation. Moving to the rear, the cabin transforms into a mobile executive lounge. Reclining massage seats, an extendable calf rest, refrigerated champagne compartment, and a 32-inch 8K screen ensure first-class comfort on every journey. Underneath the lavishness lies a hybrid V12 powertrain producing an earth-shattering 900 horsepower. Equipped with an advanced 9-speed automatic transmission and AWD system, the Maybach glides from 0 to 100 km height in 3.9 seconds, lightning fast for a limousine of its stature. The primary rivals include the Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended, Bentley Mulsanne, and Aston Martin Lagonda Touareg. Expected to cost an astronomical $500,000, this concept targets the world's elite who crave style, power, and exclusivity wrapped into one automotive jewel. A car that doesn't just transport, you arrive in it.